Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we will be installing one of my front tower strut bar on this 2019 Toyota Camry. I have the strut bar in 3 different colors: red, matte black, and blue. And I did a poll on my Instagram story and you guys voted for red one, so we're gonna install the red one. Strut bar serves to add rigidity to the car's suspension, so when the car taking turns, there will be a pressure on the road surface. The strut bar will maintain the pressure on both sides of the car so that it becomes more balanced. So all we have to do undo these 3 nuts on both sides and put the plate and torque it down again, and then bolting the bar itself on the both sides. The kit comes with 2 bolts only, but for the plate we will use the same nut again. Alright, let's take them out of the plastic and check them out. So the strut bar itself and the plate made of lightweight aluminum and powder coated. So we're gonna start with installing the plates first. All we have to do undo these 3 nuts and put the plate and torque it down again. So for that we're gonna need a short 14mm socket, a long 14mm socket, and a ratchet. Surprisingly, all the nuts were not that tight and they were loose. Maybe they were not torqued before, but that's not gonna be a problem. Alright, we have the plate on. Make sure to put this plate here so the thin part over here not touching with the nut. But if you put the right side plate, it will hit the nut. Alright, now we're gonna put the nuts back and tighten them out with a ratchet, and then we can torque it. We're gonna torque it to 85 Nm or 63 pound-feet of torque. Alright, we are done with this side. Let's go to the passenger side. The procedure will be the same. We're gonna undo the nuts and put the plate and torque them back. Alright, we are done with the plates. Now we're gonna bolt the bar itself. The procedure is very simple and straightforward. We just undo the nuts and put them back and torque it again. So with this bolt, make sure to put the washer like this so the vibration won't loosen the nuts down. So I'm not gonna tighten this bolt until I do the other side as well. Now we will need H8 Allen key and 14mm wrench. And we are done. You saw how easy it was. We just took the bolts and then put the plate back and bolt the main strut bar. I think you guys did a great choice. That red looks absolutely amazing on the engine. So the tools we used: a short 14mm socket and a long 14mm socket, ratchet, 14mm wrench, and H8 Allen key. Product link will be in the video description box below. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.